So hi, my name is Asra. I have a background where I'm working for BPOs, which have a very hectic life. The issue which I have been commonly facing is on the weight. It has a lot of issues which I have got into weight. It has a lot of symptoms where I have been feeling. I was working for 7+ years where I have gone through a lot of issues on stress, hair loss, weight, gastrics, every sort of thing which actually ultimately made my confidence very low, which I also started finding myself having a lot of difference in my body, a lot of changes in my appearance, which actually made my confidence look very low, where I had to trigger it and I wanted to come over it. I tried a lot of things which I wanted to try to lose my weight. Basically, the main agenda here was my weight was a concern for me, though I had other issue. Tried lot of brands which is there in the market with lot of trust. I have seen the marketing, I have seen every single thing. So seeing that, I also wanted my weight back, not to impress someone but to be that confident. What I tried is I tried my hard diets, Satvik. I tried lot of diet food which has 5 meals, or sometime it was 2 meals, sometime it was only liquid and everything. I tried everything. I tried yoga for 2 years. Yes, yoga helped me, but not to the extent where I grabbed my weight which was reducing. On mental pressure, it worked out, but not what I wanted. So what I finally did is I left the hope, thinking that okay, this is not gonna possible. What I do best is let me accept myself and go on. But at the other end of my mind, I want my weight back to me to be perfect or healthy. So at this scenario where I left all my hope, I have got into connect with one of my friends, whom actually said weight loss is not a problem. Our mindset is a problem. Our work life, which it is not in discipline, is a problem. So there are certain things which should be corrected in a right way, where this guidance made me to get that confidence back, which I lost. So I came through some products which actually helped me with some brand I would disclose you very soon. But there are certain things which I started using on my weight loss. I was actually 67 kgs, which I have reduced to 62 within a span of 42 days. Without any the hardcore diet or exercise, walking, changing in meals, nothing I did. I did only the certain things. I'm having product name is like DXN, Rishi tea, spirulina. I had GL powder. So these are the certain things I added in my daily life, which actually I followed in a very disciplined way. And I saw the result tremendously. I was like very happy seeing, okay, this is what is actually happening. First 30 days, I did not had any changes. 31st day, I started seeing the changes where I boost up my energy. I got my confidence back. And I felt, okay, this is something which is actually a right advice for me. This led to me to a very good confidence. I can recommend it to everyone. Whomsoever is getting into this issue, I really recommend it to them, because losing hope I have gone through. Getting back the hope is also very important, which I deserve. Everyone should get that. So please do. I recommend it if anyone is going through this. And I'm very happy with the results. Thanks to the Rising Star DXN. Thank you.